Recently, someone asked me a very good question about the swing rhythm I was showing in my lesson for All of Me. So I want to answer that question, give some guidance on it, and we'll jam a simple 2-chord song, Singin' in the Rain. The 2 chords you need to play Singin' in the Rain, very easy song to get started with, F and C major, the only chords you need. You can, of course, embellish them with lots of other jazzy colorings, but just to jam out the song, you'd only really need 2 chords. It's a great song for learning to play swing. Do I have to play that strum? So I really want to address that right now. And as I'm answering this question, please get your ukulele out because I'd like to lead you through a couple of exercises that I think will be helpful. Now, the idea that there's just one rhythm that you play for an entire song and that you're locked into it, well, you know, that's not really how music works. True, there are certain rhythms, certain stylistic tendencies that some songs have, and you want to stay in the lane, so to speak, but you always want to have a lot of freedom. There's nothing, no rule from up high that says you have to play one rhythm. So let me demonstrate a couple of ways to play Singin' in the Rain. Just join in with me. You'll hear where the chord changes, and please sing with me. The first note is I'm singing in the rain. Are you ready? Let's play a nice relaxed Hawaiian strum. This is down, up, down, up, down, up, down. The swing comes from emphasizing 2 and 4, making those strong beats on 2 and 4. That's what makes it swing. Are you ready? 1, 2, jam along. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. So you can hear that I'm playing a great swing feel just by going down and up, a down, a down, a down, a down, a down, a down, right? Emphasizing beats 2 and 4, the backbeat. Now, the swing rhythm I was showing was something that adds a little more of an old school Django Reinhardt gypsy jazz sound. And this is just a foundational swing. You can bring in that down and up strum into it as well. But just to get started with that rhythm, we're going down with the thumb and then we strum quickly and mute. Now here is really the question that the person was asking, subscriber was asking. When I strum, I feel like my hand gets locked. What you want to do is to feel that although you are muting, don't let the motion stop. You know, this can be tricky to train, so it's a good idea to do it at a slow motion. You go strum, strum, but don't stop. Feel a fluidity. Join in with me. Let's go real slowly. So even though we're muting the sound, the hand doesn't get locked, right? We want to keep it fluid. So when we're playing at faster tempos, 1, 2, 3, I'm singing in the rain. It just stays snappy and peppy. And you can of course bring that down and up strum, up, down. So real quick, I want to show you what I did because it's a great variation. So here it is slowly. It's strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, up, down, up. When we count that, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, up, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, up, 4. Okay, you see how I'm combining the very first more Hawaiian style and this European Parisian swing. Once again, don't get stuck on the strings, keep it fluid. Now, I've got a really great home play assignment for you, but before I share it with you, just want to say if you're digging this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that if you'd share this video with your ukulele and music loving friends and help spread the news of my channel, Ukulele Zen. I really appreciate that very much. There's links down below for other goodies like my Patreon page if you want to support and get some extra cool lessons and perks with your membership. Thanks so much. Let's keep on going with this lesson. To cultivate the smooth motion, here is your home play assignment. Sometime before the end of the day today, and you may like to do this every day, find an activity that you're doing and do it with a smooth connected motion, and then you'll be able to apply it to the instrument. Here's what I mean. Let's say, for example, you're making a cup of tea tonight. Instead of reaching for the cup and stopping, putting the cup down, stopping, reaching for the kettle, stopping, pouring, stopping, see if you can make the motion of taking the cup, putting it down in one smooth gesture. You know, it becomes like Tai Chi, like Qigong, like yoga. This effortless, smooth flow begins to emerge from what you do. So sometime today, whether it's making tea, cooking dinner, the next time you write an email, see if the motions that you use can be smooth and fluidly connected, just like all life is always flowing into the next event. Try to make your motions like that and you will be in alignment with life itself, really. When you go to play, go slowly and try to bring that soft, connected feeling to your music. And if you go slow enough, you'll be able to feel it. Once you can feel it at a slow speed, oh, it's all going to show up in your playing. But you may have to spend some time first just getting curious about, you know, like when you go to tune your ukulele, make it smooth and fluid. You can get real hooked on the joy of moving smoothly like a fish through water, okay? All right, let's jam out the song, just 2 chords. I'm just gonna play a quick introduction and we're in. You ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've got a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain. Let's go! Thanks for jamming with me off the cuff. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please watch right here for another jazzy swing lesson. There's more content coming each and every week here at Ukulele Zen. Thanks so much for being with me. I hope music is making your day wonderful. Take good care and thanks.